Welcome to The Interest. I'm Christine Stewart, and it's Tuesday, which means Shane Kidwell will be talking tech, and Steve Richman will send you down the road to riches with his people skills. But first, we talk to non-QM mortgage lenders who have tapped into a unique niche of the market. Border states like California, Florida, Nevada, and Texas are teeming with potential borrowers. They don't have social security numbers, but they do have individual tax identification numbers, also known as ITINs, and a strong desire for a home they can call their own.
You will not regret getting someone with an ITIN to be part of your portfolio.
eMortgage Capital branch manager Oscar Reinaga is one of the LOs who specializes in ITIN loans. His family moved to the country when he was a teenager, so he understands what it's like for those who come to America for a better life, but are barred access to home ownership.
And then you tell your kids, yeah, we can afford it, but the bank won't lend me because I'm illegal, right? Or I don't have a valid social.
ITIN borrowers often need a push in the right direction, such as establishing good credit in order to secure a low interest rate. There may also be some nuances in the underwriting process, but the lenders who know say it's worth the extra effort.
The American dream, people don't care about the cost. They just care about the objective and, realizing that dream. Homeownership.
To read more about the market, head on over to nationalmortgageprofessional.com. Reporting for The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
Angel AI is revolutionizing the home financing process. Here to tell us about it is Pavan Agarwal, the CEO of Celigence, the company behind this new amazing app. Tell us how Angel AI is helping the home financing process.
We use empathetic AI technology, so Angel AI understands the emotions behind human inputs so that the application to approval to close of a mortgage is nearly free of human touch and free of human error and is lightning fast compared to the manual standards of the real estate industry today.
What about the people who have found it hard to get a mortgage?
Angel AI has made the approval process for mortgages fair and transparent such that we have cut the decline rates for minority communities by half relative to the national average. Just go to angelai.com or click the Ask Angel AI Now button and ask Angel AI your home finance questions, or simply ask her to send you one of these cool free t-shirts. Angel AI has transferred the home financing business and made it fairer and easier for everyone.
On a previous episode, I briefly touched on the importance of having a CRM. And there's a couple of key things you have to have in your CRM. First and foremost, mass communication. And I would argue mass communication through email and SMS. Now, getting a CRM in 2024 is very different than it used to be. There are some key regulatory items that you're going to have to address. One of those is SMS approval. There's something called A2P where you have to register your phone number and let the providers know how you're going to be using the SMS communication, how your clients can opt in or opt out, and much more. Understanding and navigating the landscape of communication is more important now than ever before. Having a robust CRM, but not including SMS, is like having a race car without fuel. Make sure when you're looking at your tech package for 2024 and beyond, it includes SMS communication. Now, if you can't afford a standalone CRM, there are other mass communication SMS tools you can use that are standalone. The reality is I know from being an originator since 2009, if I have a lot of tools, I probably have no tools that I use effectively. And having something simple is key. If you need a good starter CRM, one I highly recommend is Pipedrive. For under $20 a month, you can get a full suite CRM that will allow mass communication, drag and drop organization, and much more. Currently, I'm using a platform called Go High Level. The reason I like Go High Level is it has mass email, mass text, mass voice drops. It integrates with your social platforms for social scheduling. It has a reputation management tool and much more. If you aren't operating in this business with a CRM, you need to get off the fence.
Here's something you might not want to hear, but you need to know. It's not their job to remember. It's your job to be memorable. They get emails, they get texts, they get phone calls, and you're going, I'm going to need a copy of your W-2s, your pay stubs. I'm going to need a copy of your bank statements. Come on, who's going to remember that? Folks, you need to be memorable. Say something that's interesting. If I don't get your taxes, your loan gets the axes. Folks, they'll remember you. They'll remember to get you their taxes. So you need to be memorable.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.